If you look at this card, you can see a king sitting on a throne decorated with lions and salamander designs. The lions represent strength, courage, and authority. The salamander designs represent fire energy and transformation. He sits in a calm and confident way. This shows control, leadership, and self assurance. In his hand, he holds a wooden wand. Small green leaves are growing from it. This shows energy, growth, and the ability to turn ideas into reality. He is wearing green clothing with a bright yellow and orange robe. These colors show growth, confidence, and strong passion. His cape is covered with salamander patterns. This shows he is fully connected to his fire energy. If you look closely, you can see a salamander forming a loop. This represents continuous energy and control over his power. Near him, there is a small salamander. This shows that even when he is still, his energy is active and alive. Unlike earlier Vance cards, he is not rushing. He is calm, focused, and ready to act at the right moment. The suit of Vance is connected to the element of fire. It represents passion, ambition, leadership, and vision. All these details together show his nature and personality. He does not chase success. He creates it. He is confident, focused, and full of vision. His presence itself inspires others. Before this, the energy was expressive and active. Now, it has become controlled, stable, and powerful. This is why he leads instead of follows. Overall, this card is about leadership, vision, and taking control of your path. This is the King of Wands card. If upright, yes, showing strong leadership and confidence. If reversed, no, showing impatience or being too controlling. Career business studies. If upright, this is not a routine 9 to 5 mindset. You want to lead, create, and take control of your path. You have strong ideas and the confidence to act on them. In career, it shows leadership roles or stepping into power. In business, it shows bold decisions and building something of your own. In studies, it shows focus when you have a clear goal and interest. If reversed, you may feel frustrated or impatient. There can be ego clashes or trying to control everything. Avoid rushing decisions and listen to others. Love relationship breakup. If upright, love feels passionate, strong, and confident. There is attraction, but also stability and direction. You or your partner may take the lead in the relationship. It is bold, direct, and full of energy. If reversed, there may be control issues or ego conflicts. One person may be too dominant or impatient. Balance and understanding are needed. Health. If upright, you have strong energy and an active mindset. You like movement and staying engaged. If reversed, you may be pushing yourself too hard. Stress or burnout can build up. Rest and balance are important. General guidance. If upright, trust your vision and take the lead. Move forward with confidence and clarity. Create your own path instead of waiting. If reversed, check your ego and slow down. Do not force things to happen. Stay balanced and grounded. So, the King of Wands teaches you to master your energy, to lead with confidence and clear vision, to stay strong and steady in your power, and to create your own success with courage and direction.